Hello and welcome back to the channel. Brandon Davidson and I am the owner of Davidson Audio, where we specialize solely in the Indian motorcycle audio solutions for the riders. And in today's video, we're going to do a nice and simple installation video because this part is super easy to put on. And that will be the Blackout Industries extended dash piece for the Indian Chieftain motorcycles. I got this because, I don't know, I kind of think it looks super cool. I think it'd be nice to just have one piece all the way down the dash versus what Indian does and gives you the little part on the top with the two buttons and then a leather strap. I just kind of want to do one nice solid piece. So I saw this on their website, contacted them, talked to them for a little bit, and decided I wanted to try one of these out. Now this is only one of a handful of different products they offer for the Indians, so I'll be curious to see how this makes the bike look now. So enough talking, let's go get over to our 2019 Indian Chieftain shop bike and get the OEM stuff taken off and get this bad boy installed. To start the installation process of the Blackout Industries extended dash, we have to first remove the OEM dash. Now this process should be the same across the 19 and newer Chieftain and Chieftain and Roadmasters. The only differentiation is if you have the other switch here. I only have the lock and unlock. I'm pretty sure this one is for the heated grips or something. I'm not 100% sure. So process is the same. To get this removed, we're going to use a panel clip removal tool. Just real simple. Push it down here, squeeze, pull it out, set that aside. And then we're going to use a 4mm Allen. Unscrew this. Set that aside as well. And then here you're going to lift up back here a little bit, push forward to slide this out of the way. And there are two wiring connections which I've already undone. So before you pull this completely off, you'd have to pull it over, undo this connection, which was here. And these two, I take it, would go to this one. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the Blackout Industries dash piece. We're gonna transfer these over and get it installed. Now we're going to remove the switch for the locks and then the blank. This is just a simple Torx T25. All right, now we can go ahead and set the OEM dash aside. We did put the 4 screws back in here because Blackout Industries does send you some smaller hardware for this. So let's go ahead and set this aside and get these installed on the stretch dash. Now we have the stretch dash from Blackout Industries sitting here. In the paperwork that they send you for the extended dash piece, it's got a QR code for the instructions, and more importantly, some hardware right here, which is what we're going to be going after. So they send you a new push pin for the bottom. They send you a new machine bolt, which I'm guessing, I don't know what that's for. We'll see in a second. More importantly, they send you 4 small screws with washers to put the switches back in there. So that's what we're after. Here like this, and then the second one over here. That way they're sitting nice and flush in there. Then take our screw with washer, get them all started first before snugging anything up. And just like that, both buttons are put back in it. Now, what I did here is I started them loose and then I pushed down on the button to help center it even more. And then I tightened them up back and forth motion to get them nice and centered in there. So as you can see, they're nice and in there. We are gonna go ahead and get this installed on the bike now. All right, the last thing we have to do before installing the Blackout Industries extended dash piece is take off the OEM bushing at the front of the take off. This is just going to be a simple 6mm. And once that's removed, you're going to take the provided machine bolt that they provided the kit, screw it in there. And that's about it for the hardware. And then you're going to take your extended dash piece and we're going to run it past the tank and then bring it back in, so that way that new bolt finds its track here. We'll make the wiring connection and then put the push tab in here. We're going to use the OEM one again right now because we're taking this back off, taking it down to paint. Then we're going to go ahead and tighten up this machine bolt up here with a 5mm, which that's a 6. And just like that, you know what? We'll just go ahead and, I want to slide the seat up on here so you can just see the full effect of this. And just like that, our extended dash piece is fully assembled. I have to say, I think this came out really nice. I like the way it looks. And I just think it really cleans it up versus having, you know, the piece here and the little leather strap. I know some people really like that. I think this just really cleans up the entire gas tank. Just gives you one nice flowing piece. Now, do also remember that Blackout Industries does provide you these rubber seals. Do go on the this piece. It'll go from there all the way down on each side, all the way around. Obviously, in this installation, did not put them on because, like I said, this dash piece is coming right back off and going down to paint today. So once you see this on the bike for the final time, you'll see it all nice and painted, matching the bike, and it's gonna look real nice. So lastly, the tools required for this installation were just a couple real simple ones. A Phillips screwdriver, I call this like a panel removal tool. There's a couple different versions of this. Just allows you to get in there and pop off the little push tab. And then, you know, a couple different drivers I use, you know, the 1/4-inch drive, ratchet, and screwdriver. But then you're going to use a T25 Torx socket. And then we used a 4, 5, and 6mm Allen to remove the OEM dash piece, the bolt here, a 6mm for the OEM bushing back here, bolt bushing, and then the 5mm to put the provided bolt back in this one to secure it. So as far as the installation is concerned, that's a wrap. And this video is a wrap. In this video, you obviously saw that hold on. We didn't do anything to you on this one. Let's go back over here. So in this video, we went ahead and installed the Blackout Industries extended dash piece for our 2019 Indian Chieftain shop bike. I like the way this came out. I love the look of that nice solid one piece. The biggest dilemma I'm facing now is what color to paint it. Do I paint it all white smoke? Do I do a contrast of white and black? Do we do all black? Do we do white with the atomic black? I don't know. So please, please, please help me do the favor. Jump down in the comments, leave a comment. What color, solid color or combination do you think we should paint this piece to get it back on the shop bike and really give it that little bit of fine detail separated from all the other bikes out there? So that being said, that's the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, I hope it was insightful, because maybe you've been looking on their website and you're like, I don't know. If you want to be different, you want the nice one solid piece, go get you one. But if not, completely understandable. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do me a favor, like, subscribe, share the videos, help us grow the channel so we get more content. And as more subscriptions come, you know what's next? More and more giveaways. So, that being said, I'm Brandon Davidson. I'm the owner of Davidson Audio, and I'm out.